everybody.
Hello.
Happy Thanksgiving. It's officially Thanksgiving.
Yes, it is.
So excited.
Me too.
We have our November, December issue out on newsstands now.
It looks so good. Look at this turkey.
This nice turkey, it was roasted in parts, saving you cook time and stress. So make sure you check it out. And we have other holiday recipes also for the later holidays coming up. So if you missed Thanksgiving, that's okay. We have other holiday recipes in here, but make sure you get your copy. If you need a last minute home style recipe, all gluten-free, that is your guide.
Yeah, holidays can be super stressful, so go in there and follow a recipe.
Yeah, follow a recipe. We also have a side note. We have some housekeeping. We have a Thanksgiving ebook currently on our website.
Yes, thanks to this girl.
Ooh, thank you for
She
the
did
shout
so
out.
good.
So go to glutenfreemore.com. There will be a pop-up. Enter your email, and we'll send the ebook right to your inbox. It has tons of recipes, main dishes, side dishes, desserts, and even what to do with your leftovers. Again, all gluten-free.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, sweet. So let's go right into what we're making today. What are we doing?
If you can't see it, it's a little turkey. We're making turkeys. I think you guys will just gobble it up.
Yeah, we're gonna put together these cute little antipasto skewers.
Yeah.
They're a great appetizer. You don't eat too much before your big Thanksgiving meal. My family eats at like noon, I feel like.
This is like the appetizer turkey to the main turkey.
Yeah. Yeah. There's no turkey involved in these, just the turkey imagery.
Yeah. No turkey.
Yeah,
Disclaimer.
So they're like what you would have on a charcuterie board. So you can even use these to elevate your charcuterie board.
Yeah,
dare
I love a charcuterie
Me
board.
too.
Yeah.
If you're hosting for the holidays, these are so cute. People love all the festive things. So yeah, we're gonna start with one slice of salami. Okay, then we're going to take a half slice of provolone cheese, and we're just going to add that to the top, leaving some space, because what we're gonna do is create the feather effect. So this is what it should look like. We got small regular pepperoni for what you'd have in a pizza. Make sure you go get the deli sized pepperoni
Yeah, if
slices.
you can, yeah.
That's on us. We're just gonna add two, just so it covers our feathers. So now we have our next layer, and then we're gonna fold up the bottom part of the salami to create our last little feather here. Yeah. How is it going for you?
I think it's going.
I'm a little
good.
nervous about my skewering abilities.
I think the skewering is honestly the hardest
Yeah.
part.
Here, you should use this one. That one's
Okay.
really cute. Okay, so you want to get pepperoncinis, and then you want to drain all the juice, or you can save it if you want a little drink after. So we have our pepper, and we're gonna fold it in half. And the top of the pepper will kind of be
Oh,
the
mine's juicy. It's leaking.
it'll kind of be like the head and the beak for our turkey. So you want that part, the top, to be facing out. So we'll fold it in half, and we'll tuck that in there on our last little feather, on our salami feather on the bottom. And then taking a skewer through the outside, we're gonna go through, sorry, Claire, splash zone. I guess we didn't drain them well enough. Yeah, that's going to be we're gonna skewer through. I don't know if mine is as aesthetic as our little examples here. Oh, yours is cute. Yours is cute. Is it? Does it look right?
Wait, Claire, yours is upside down.
What do you mean?
Oh, is it? Oh, wait, no, it's not.
It's just this part is just really like it wouldn't fold that way, you know.
I think
The
if we
turkey
had
don't wanna fold
if
that
we had
way.
our regular pepperoni, this would be perfect.
Yeah.
And if the tops of your pepperoncinis kind of go outwards, then it'll look more like a beak. It'll look
More turkey-like.
More turkey-like. But you
Yes.
know what? Okay, I still get the vision.
I like my turkey. This is Tom the turkey, and that's Tina the turkey.
Oh my God, Tina and Tom.
right?
Cute. We're gonna
Cute.
gobble them up. I'm sorry. I had to. So here we go. Let's keep making
Yeah.
some.
Make it
Let's
a
try
little
again.
turkey fan.
Let's try again. Let's
Yep.
do round two.
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully
you go.
hopefully these will like be better. I'm hoping.
I'm hoping to. You know what? If not, we'll practice again. We'll practice again.
Practice makes perfect.
Okay. Cute. I'm gonna try just one pepperoni this time and see if that makes a
Okay.
difference. maybe use a little bit more on the bottom here.
Here, I'm
Okay,
gonna
so what are you doing
bring
for
it up.
Thanksgiving? Anything fun?
Just spending time with family, you know.
Yeah.
What about you?
Same thing. I feel like
Yeah.
it's that time of year. Everybody gets together. Get to see my baby nephew.
Aww.
His first Thanksgiving.
It's so cute.
Oh, he's gonna be the cutest little pumpkin pie. Oh, I love him.
Aw.
He can't eat anything. All he gets is just some milk.
Maybe some pumpkin puree. Do they?
I'm not a baby nutrition expert. I know he started eating some like mashed up peas, so maybe he'll have
some
peas.
pumpkin puree though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, peas. Yeah,
potato.
peas.
Well,
I love mashed potatoes.
I'll have to reference the baby book. Okay, does this one look better? Maybe.
Cute.
Yes,
a little bit
I think so.
I think I got in practice now. Oh, my pepper and cheese doing a flip. It's doing a flip. Okay, cute.
Oh no.
That's okay. That's okay. It might have to go through this,
Yeah.
the front. I think the trick is you got to get the skewer,
Yeah, you
Through
gotta
the
get the
front.
skewer.
but not through your beak. I think that's, there you go. Yeah,
Right in there. Yeah.
cute. So I don't know, what do you guys think is the best way to eat this? You just take it off the skewer and one bite? I don't want to eat the stem of the pepper.
Hold the skewer like this and just.
Just,
Eat it in one bite.
I'm gonna take mine probably off the skewer. So if these are for
Yeah.
your presentation, these are for your charcuterie board. You can present them like this, put them throughout the board, have your little turkeys. I think it could be sweet. Okay, so,
Just like
okay,
cheers.
cheers. I'm gonna take mine off my skewer.
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna take a bite like this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right?
cheers.
Again. I love stuff like this.
That's like an Italian sub.
It is. It is.
That's good.
Italian for Thanksgiving?
Oh, I'm always Italian for Thanksgiving. That's just family lineage.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I've never been to Italy. These with an Aperol spritz, that's what my mom and I are gonna be doing.
Of course.
These are great. These are great. Okay. That's I think that's it. I'm gonna eat this off camera because I don't want to mess up my lipstick.
No blame you, yeah.
But yeah, I'm super excited this year.
Me too.
Thanksgiving.
Me too.
What's your favorite food for Thanksgiving?
The mashed potatoes.
Oh,
Mashed potatoes. Like a good one. A good creamy mashed potato.
yes. You can't mess it up either. I mean,
Yeah. Oh, you definitely can't.
unless
mess it
there's
up.
salt on the table, just add more salt.
Yeah.
That's my only
Yeah.
thing.
What about you?
This is controversial.
Ooh.
I always make the mac and cheese. I always make the mac and cheese, and I always make some sort of dessert.
They must trust you because mac and cheese is so important.
It is.
It is so
I saw
important.
this meme. It said you need 3 to 5 years of experience to make the Thanksgiving mac
You
and cheese.
really do.
And I have that in my belt. I have that.
That's good to have.
on my resume.
Yeah.
I have had the trust, but this year we're doing a different recipe. I've already proofed it with Christina, and she said it's going to be a lot of work, but I'm ready to put in the hours.
Okay, yeah. It's hard work.
Teenies. I thought it was for the
Yeah,
teenies back.
Teeny from TikTok.
Yes,
I love
yes. Your arm's gonna hurt. It's like
My
a little
arms gonna
workout
hurt
because you're gonna be
shredding
shredding that
so much cheese. But listen,
yeah.
she said that makes the difference because I don't want a gritty mac and cheese.
Yes.
I've had that in the past. We can't do that again.
Yeah, yeah.
And of course, it's going to be gluten free. So, Teeny, if you're watching by any chance, thank you for the mac and cheese
We
recipe.
appreciate it.
Yeah, she uses a bunch of different type of milk. Her trick is to use like corkscrew pasta. So if I can find that gluten free, we're set.
Yeah, because it like gets the sauce in there,
In there.
right? Gets it in there.
Because each bite, she said it's like creamy. Oh, I think the people will rave.
I think so too.
So yeah, but some people say that mac and cheese is not traditionally a Thanksgiving food item.
Well, it is now.
It is now, and I beg to differ. I've had it every year,
Yeah.
every single year, and I love it.
Me too.
It's my favorite thing. And green bean casserole.
Yes, I think it's almost everybody's favorite, the mac and cheese.
Oh, you can't go wrong.
You really can't.
Yeah, and if you need a turkey, if every year you're like, oh, the turkey is dry, I don't know how to cook it, we
Yeah.
have so many turkey recipes from throughout the years of Gluten Free and More magazine. This is our 12th anniversary. We started the Gluten Free and More magazine on shelves 12 holidays ago.
So you got 12 turkeys?
We got 12 turkey recipes for you, so definitely check them out, and you'll have at least one that'll spark your
Yeah.
interest. But that's it from us.
Yeah.
Anything else? Any messages? Holiday messages?
Just be thankful. This is the season, and it's also sweater season. That's why
Yeah.
we are wearing our sweaters
Cozy
and
sweaters.
sweatshirts. Yep.
Yeah, there's always a reason to be grateful. We're grateful for you for tuning in every week and for sharing our recipes
Yeah.
with
Love
everyone.
you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you guys
Yeah.
next week, next Friday.
Next Friday.
All right, bye.
Bye.
That's the chicken dance.
Oh. Yeah. You guys will gobble this up.
Yeah, say it.